Hi everybody, how are you all doing? Hope you're all having some great plans for 2021 in terms of reading as well. Obviously, new year comes, new goals, new resolutions, new plans, and what better way to keep track of all these things than trackers? I don't know if it's just me or everybody. I'm seeing a lot of planners and trackers being advertised these days on Instagram. So even I fell prey to it, and I also bought a planner. And today I want to show you that planner. But the catch is this is just a reading planner, guys. So I bought a reading planner, and the best part of this is that there were some templates, and then they had left a lot of pages empty and blank so that we can do our own customizations, and we can do our own designs and plans and all. So I searched everywhere. I went through some of the other planners, reading planners especially, that I saw on Instagram. I went to Pinterest to see some more ideas, and then I thought, let me also start doing it. Disclaimer, on a scale of 1 to 10, my art skills are probably like a -100. My handwriting totally sucks, but somehow I was like very interested in doing this reading planner, so I went ahead and did it. And I really want to show it to you guys, so that if you are planning to make one too, you don't have to shell out a lot of money and go and buy one. You can make one yourself. So I wanted to show you some templates that you can use. Of course, these are not my own ideas. Many of them are borrowed, of course, and the credit should go to them. So yeah, I want to show you all, and I'm so excited. Let's go for it. This is the reading tracker that I bought. This is from Book Riot, which is a US based book blog company. So this is actually, I was lucky to get this on Amazon India. It was available, and I think I bought it for around 950 rupees. So it's a nice, very cute, colored, attractive paperback book. It has two such, bookmark thing. I think it's very useful. Yeah, these things should come with more than one marker for sure. So yeah, let's start and see what's inside. Reading tracker from the library of. So I have stuck these stickers all through the book because I'm a big fan of stickers, and I keep collecting stickers. So yeah, like I told, my handwriting is very bad, so ignore that. So there are such illustrations everywhere, and this is an index where they have filled everything that's already there, but they have given enough space for us to fill as we make our own templates and everything. Yeah, so why do you read is the first page, which actually tells about readers and what they read. Then this is how to make this journal work for you. So this has all the like bullet journaling tips and some templates, blank pages where we can make our own templates, and the read harder reference pages. So this is very interesting. It's there in the end, and I'm going to show you about it. Yeah, this is so pretty. This is actually literary holidays, and if you see, so this actually states some important literary days throughout the year. So if you see, there are some Harry Potter published, then there is Oprah Book Club launched. So some authors' birthdays are there with tidbits of information also here and there. So it's something that I really liked. Okay, now we come to the templates part. Okay, so first is author start. So this actually talks about the authors that we read and to know a little more about them. So first comes nationality. I have only written Indian and American, but as I read, I'm going to fill up. So these boxes are for shading. So how many ever Indian authors I read, I shade them to know which nationality I'm reading a lot of, and if I want to keep track of other nationalities. Similarly, gender, to see who I'm reading more, and age range of the authors when the book was written, hopefully, because that makes more sense. Then similarly, there are book facts. So when was the book published, we can shade the boxes. Then genre. So these are the genres that I've written, but I'll add as and when I go by. Literary fiction is a genre that I'm going to read the most, so I've left more spaces here, and similarly other genres as well. Yeah, so this was supposed to be a reading wish log page for 2 pages, but then I was like, I'm not, this is not enough for me. So I converted it into a wish list sort of page. So here I've written the books that I'm like waiting to read this year. And even on Goodreads I have to be read list as well. But sometimes there'll be some books which I want to read, like want to read soon category. So I thought, let me write here so that I can know what to buy. So similarly, I've made one more here called authors. So this is for the authors that I want to check out this year, that I've written this. Then we have some book review templates. So this there are many formats. So this is like a 3-word review for the book. Similarly, this is a 1-sentence review for the book. And then here we have for the more artistic people to draw the book cover and then write the review. And yeah, similarly. And then here we have the long form review where there is this, publication date, discovery, format, and date started, finish, review, notes and quotes. So this is a long form review also, which is there. Next, we come to the book bingo of 2021. So there are very interesting prompts in this bingo, and if you notice, I've already like written in pencil for those prompts which book I am planning to read. They're very interesting prompts again, like a Pulitzer Prize last year, award-winning audiobook, a book about books, a book from the point of inanimate character. So very interesting prompts, and I hope to read some of these next year. This is the favorite shelf where we had to write the titles of our all-time favorite books. So I have filled it with some of my favorite, and I've left 2 places empty as well to hopefully fill it this year. Yeah, this is something that I found very interesting. So this is actually a challenge for 31 days. So any particular month we can take it up. And what we need to do is every day write a word, write a sentence that we have come across that day, whether it is by in reading or whether it is on the news or internet or anybody we hear speaking or whatever, some interesting sentence. And this is a very interesting exercise, and I really can't wait to do this, because I'm guessing after writing it, it would be very interesting to read those sentences. Next comes favorite quotes. So I've already written some of my favorite quotes, and I've left some blank spaces as well. Word bank. So this is something I actually don't have the habit of looking up the dictionary whenever I come across a word I don't know the meaning of. But I've also, made a practice of using those words. So I think this will be a very helpful section. Lending library. Oh, this page will be a waste, guys, because I'm not going to lend my books. So I think, no, I'll convert it into something else. Oh, this is interesting. So it's characters of note. So this is actually after you read, maybe if you want to give out some awards, and the awards are very interesting. See, best character arc, dreamiest, most questionable motives, best villain. So there are 4 like that, and 4 there were empty spaces for us to fill out, and I have also filled out these, some of the awards that I want to give out. So there are 8 such awards that I'll fill out by the end of 2021. Yeah, this is all about book club, how to find a book club, and if you're part of a book club or a read along, then what you can use these kind of templates to fill it in. And this is about how to start your own book club, something that's not on my mind right now at least. Oh, this is such a nice, I'm going to use this illustration a lot. Yeah, then we come to blank pages. So now all these templates that we saw over here, so we can either replicate those templates or we can make new ones. So yeah, we have a lot of blank pages to play around. So let's start. So then I made my own bingo for this year. So this is basically the bookish resolutions and the plans and goals that I have for this year. I made it in the form of bingo. Like, I want to read 50 books this year. I want to read at least 8 non-fiction, 10 audiobooks. I want to read some Indian translations, foreign language translations. So this is basically my goal for the year, which I've made it in the bingo format. Also, there are such prompts throughout the book, like this is favorite first line. So similarly, we have throughout the book such prompts. Okay. Next, we come to January. So in my amateurish handwriting, I have written some January and shaded it. This is washi tape that I bought from Itsy Bitsy. Then I've in this first page I've written books bought and money spent. I really want to keep a track of the budget for books because last year I kind of went overboard and I want to have some plan with money also this year. So this is for tracking that, and this is especially for Bookstagram. I want to talk about all the interesting reading challenges that I come across, the weekend book talk videos that I make, any other prompts that I get, any other thoughts that I have about Bookstagram. So this page is all about that. Then this is the same continuation for January reading log. So here I have made this boxes so that 8 books in one month can be captured. Please ignore all these smudges because that is for my not very dirty artwork. So here we have title, author. This is not review but thoughts because reviews I'm writing anyway on Bookstagram. So this page is for thoughts on books, which is like true and only for my eyes. Yeah, similarly there are some more prompts, and the page next to these kind of prompts I've left for templates like this. One of these templates, this I was inspired by a reading tracker from Books and Beyond box, where they had written this very interesting book. So from this book made me want to learn about these subjects, made me want to read this books by the same author, and made me want to read these books by other authors. I really like this template and I made 2 of that for now. Then similarly we go on to February and some more prompts, and yeah, literary pilgrimage is also one more template I liked because I want to write the place where the book is set so that I'll know which all countries I've traveled to. So the book is the ticket and the destination it will take me to. I want to fill this up. And February, so I've left 2 such pages for every month, so this is March, and again this is March. And then after that there will be this kind of a prompt again, books that change my point of view, which I can fill out, and the page next to it I've kept blank to fill up with some other interesting templates or some other bookish thoughts I have. So similarly April, so I've not filled out made all the templates already because I want to give me the creative freedom to change as I go by through the year if I want to come across something interesting that I want to write. So yeah, every month is a new page and a new chance to do something. Yes, now we come to the mid-year check-in. So number of books read, favorite books so far in after June. Then we go on July. So this goes on again with some prompts here and there, favorite authors, and books I can't stop thinking about. So this goes on till December. This is favorite bookstores that I've already written. Yeah, so then we come to the end of the book, which is after December, to write my best of 2021. So here I've written my favorite books, favorite authors, favorite genre, to wrap up my 2021, along with one more page where I'm going to write something to wrap up the year. Now we come to these read harder reference pages, which is something very interesting and I want to show you. So here what they have done is they've taken each genre and they've given prompts to read harder. Like for example, in young adult, you can actually have these prompts to find some very unique and niche books, and they've also given suggestions in this page. So similarly, they have for like self-help. They've all, many genres they have covered in this way: non-fiction, biography and memoir, and similarly look at the suggestions also, very interesting ones: science fiction and fantasy, cooking is one genre I've never tried before, comics and graphic novels. Have you seen these suggestions? They're very interesting because I've not even heard of many of these books. So this is something that I really liked. Poetry books, romance, and yes, that's the end of it. They're back with another illustration, and here in the end this is actually a bookmark. You can actually tear it off, fold and tear it and use it as a bookmark, and that's something I liked as well. Yeah, so this was my reading tracker, guys, and the templates that I made. Hope you liked it. I hope you're also motivated and interested to do something. I would love to have company. If you're also planning to do something, do ping me and we can do this together. Get some ideas also, and let our inner creative flourish in this. So yes, credits to, of course, Book and Beyond box tracker, Book Anatomies tracker, and also many Pinterest templates that I came across. And yeah, that was my video today. I see you next time with some other video. Till then, bye bye.